Hi, welcome to Sandy's Reiki Care. Hope you all are doing fine. In this video, I'm going to share 10 unhealthy habits to quit before the coming new year. So set yourself up for a happy and successful 2025. Let me tell you, every year one makes New Year resolutions, but why is it that we are not able to see through till the end? This happens because of lack of preparation. So this time, decide on your resolutions, but they won't stick unless you quit the bad habits. So let us together work on quitting unhealthy habits for a coming new year. First unhealthy habit is drinking too much tea or coffee. Excessive consumption is often associated with increased heart rate, palpitations, heightened anxiety or nervousness. It can also cause digestive issues like acid reflux, etc. I'm not saying to quit tea or coffee altogether, but follow moderation to avoid these potential problems. Second unhealthy habit is using phone after waking up. I don't know why this happens. It is our over dependency on our phones for staying connected with friends or getting work updates, isn't it? But this is no reason. Yet we look at phone first thing in the morning. I have decided to, instead of reaching for my phone, I'm going to grab a glass of warm water, and while sipping that, I'm going to count my blessings. Also, I'm going to repeat all the morning resolutions I have planned for the coming year. So that will be the right time for revising what I need to remember. Another thing we need to do is keep our phone at some other place, in some other room. I'm sure this will work for each one of us. Third unhealthy habit, we need to quit our nervous habits. It could be challenging, of course, but you need to do so in order to make space for healthier stress management, isn't it? So stop, when you have this habit of nail biting, or they will take a pen in their hand, they keep on clicking the pen, or they'll keep on twirling their hair, or they will be having chewing gum in their mouth, or even they could be just finger tapping. These are all nervous habits. Fourth in an unhealthy habit is not staying active all day. I work from home, so I know how hard it can be to stay active when you have the choice to stay in bed all day long. What one can do is quit this sedentary lifestyle. How you can do is you need to stretch for a few minutes, go out for a walk, aim to walk at least 5,000 steps. Then you can do some chores in the house. You can plan your weekends, do some active work, things at that time. You have the time. Then spend time in nature. You exercise 4 5 times in a week, and also avoid being on the bed during the day. When working at the desk, whenever, even I, what I do is when I'm working, I just get up after half an hour or so, and then I take a walk in the house. That again energizes. So these are some of the things one needs to take up if you want to see a very healthy and happy coming year. Fifth unhealthy habit that we need to break away is eating at odd times. Do ensure that you're eating your meals at the right time. Irregular eating patterns can disrupt your digestion, blood sugar count, and also your nutrient absorption, which what will happen? It will contribute to your weight gain. It will give you sleep problems. So try to eat breakfast before 9 a.m. Have your lunch by 2 p.m. and dinner by 8 p.m. This is the best thing I find one can do. Also, have snacks at a fixed time during the day. Don't keep snacking the whole day. Sixth unhealthy habit, not to wake up early every day. Make your new year intention to wake up early, be more productive, and start a healthy lifestyle. When you follow this inconsistent bedtime, it leads to when you get up in the morning, you are cranky, the energy is low, and you are going to feel tired the whole day. So follow a set pattern. Seventh unhealthy habit, we need to break not drinking enough water. Water helps every body organ to function smoothly, and it also helps our mental health. So aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Definitely your body, your skin, your soul all will love you forever. Eighth unhealthy habit to break is no excessive screen time. These screen habits make it hard to give importance to self-care or give time for hobbies, or also it has reduced interaction with others. So what is the right way is to balance your screen time, whatever time you're giving for it, by setting a daily limit. If you set the daily limit, you will know how much of viewing you're doing. The ninth unhealthy habit is not dealing with stress and anxiety. It is hard to avoid stress and anxiety in our life. So, but this is no choice that you're not going to do anything about stress. So, identify and manage sources of stress in your life. It could be social media, which is leaving you exhausted. So, try to distance yourself from these triggers. So, you can add some, to do this, you can add some self care habits. Like I always stress on meditation and yoga. It will definitely give you more energy in your life and you'll be more focused. 10th and the last unhealthy habit is one needs to break away from is being disorganized. Don't leave your cleaning plans for the coming year. Start by decluttering a small space in your room, like a drawer or a part of your cupboard, and then you can go in for bigger areas. What you can do, you can donate the usable stuff